how's everybody doing this morning? It's your girl Candrea Fion coming to you with a quick video. Listen, have you ever know what to do when your business is slow? Has your business ever been like really going slow lately? Well, if you're experiencing a really slow point with your business and you really don't know what to do, you can use any of these activities I'm about to go over to make sure that you'll still be growing and building. So let's get right to it. So one of the tips you can do when your business is slow is you can form a new habit. Your new habit can be like writing like 1,000 words or so a day. You can even buy something new. You can talk with some positive people and express your thoughts with them. You can laugh. Laughing produces the good hormones that gets you feeling good. Even if you have to force it, just start laughing, okay? You can get some sun if you live in a sunny city and your sun is shining bright. You can even move your body by exercising for 20 minutes or even longer. Or you can even just walk your dog if you have pets, okay? The second thing you can do is update some of your old posts. And what you want to do is update your old posts on social media with some new data, some new information, new stats, and even some new images, okay? The next thing, if you're experiencing a slow period in your business, is do something new. What do I mean by that? Well, some of the best ideas come when you're out playing and you're trying new things out. So you can actually create some new things and try some new things and make sure you record it, take pictures, and even upload it to your social sites, okay? The next thing you can do is create a popcorn product. Now, this can be easily created in a week or a weekend, which, you can price it between like $7 to $27 and sell it to your audience, okay? Let me grab my notes here. So I've got some other ideas that you can actually do when your business is slow. So when your business is running slow, you can even actually write a book, okay? A lot of people don't know how to write, but you will be surprised when you start writing the ideas that will come to you. Like if you want to get your business on the fast lane while your business is slow, in a slow period, just put down all of the years of your experience in a book and just write it, okay? So another thing you do with business slow is write a business plan out. Now, if you've never written one, now would be the time while business is slow to just grab a chair and a pen and just, write out a business plan with your vision and your own mission statement, some of your values, and, like some marketing strategies and the whole 9 yards, okay? So think about writing your own business plan. Now, when business is slow, you can actually sit down and send out thank you notes to your clients and rebrand yourself. And you do that, you just work on your logo. You can test some new colors for your brand. You can change or update your website, your layout, etc., even your email signature and stuff like that, okay? Now, another thing you can do is when your business is running slow is look for some new vendors to work with. Find new vendors, see what they're up to, and see how you connect with them. Another thing you can do is always find a good book to read, okay? You can discover some new guerrilla marketing strategies in a book and the best kept business secrets by reading some good books, okay? And another thing you can do when business is slow is create a cold pitch. What I mean by that is you can create a list of prospects using LinkedIn or some line leads and reach out via email. All right. And another thing you can do when your business is slow is just host a virtual summit. And what I mean by my virtual summit is you just simply want to do some interviews with some experts in your niche. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in. You can just find some people to interview, ask them some questions, or you can just think of certain topics and deliver it on over a specific period of time and have your viewers opt in and watch it, okay? Another thing you can do is do an audit on your business with your management and with your team members, and just audit how your things are going in your business. Another thing you can do is try different types of posts. And what I mean by that is you can publish some infographics, some videos, audio, quotes, even some features, reviews, community posts, and even some roundup posts, okay? Another thing you can do when your business is slow is create a one-page speaker sheet. And what I mean by that is you can send this speaker sheet to local event organizers and press contacts and connect with them, okay? You'll have to do some research to do that. You can do a pro bono work. And what pro bono work is you're offering your own skill sets to people who can't actually afford it, and you can actually make whatever profit that you want. You can charge no profit or create your own profit, okay? And then another thing you can do is just attend events. Go to some events, sign up for events, put on your best outfit and your best shoes and just go for it. Attend an event, and you'll be surprised to find that your target audience is actually there at these events. I don't care if it's wine tasting events, if it's weddings, dinner parties, or anything in network marketing, your target audience is waiting for you. Another thing you can do is just do some research. You can look up what's trending online via Google Alerts, sign up for Google Alerts. You can do some Google Trends, and look up some other stuff online that's currently trending. It's always on Google. You can also dig real deep and find out why your business is running slow at this particular time of the year and see what works for you, okay? Another thing you do is create a lead magnet. And you do that. Now, what a lead magnet is just like an opt-in gift that you offer your visitors, whether it's online or offline. And it basically just encourages your visitors to be a part of your tribe and purchase whatever you have to offer, whether it's a product or services, in exchange for what you have to offer, okay? So think about doing lead magnets. Another thing you can do is host a workshop. When business is slow, you can actually look up some venues on the internet and pick one. And then you can also do workshops in your living room or even your office. You can use a whiteboard and just start there and create a workshop on your favorite niche or topic, and then send emails to your subscribers by inviting them to your one-day workshop, okay? And another thing you can do is actually host a webinar. You can do that when you host webinars. You can interact live with your audience, okay? And when you do that, it creates a lot of value, and you can sell whatever product that you're promoting through webinars, and you will find that you'll get a lot of exposure and a lot of connections with your audience when you host webinars. And last but certainly not least, you can also host a giveaway. You can look up some giveaways on the internet just to see some examples on how to do it and promote the heck out of it. Find something you want to give away. It doesn't have to be so expensive. It can be something affordable, so that even if you have team members, it'll inspire them to do giveaways as well. By hosting the smallest giveaways, you let your team know that this doesn't have to be an expensive giveaway to do, and just promote it all over social media. Alright? So that's it, you guys. That's all I have. Some tips on what you can do when you find that your business is running at pretty slow and you're hearing crickets in your business. Don't give up. Keep going. Until next time, if you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Please share this video if you feel like a friend or family member in business needs to hear these tips. Till next time, I love you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Love and peace. Bye.